Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join the Fiverr affiliate program, guys. It's actually really easy and simple. All you need to do first is search for Fiverr affiliate program on your Google search bar and you just click on the first link, okay? First link that pops up, click on this, and now we're going to have to create an account, of course. So once you become an affiliate, you can earn money when someone clicks on your link and buys something from Fiverr. You get paid a commission within 30 days. If someone clicks in your link and purchases something, you get a commission. So all you need to do is on this website, okay, you need to just click on join now and a registration form is going to pop up, okay? You need to fill in this registration form, and of course you have to agree to the terms and conditions that's going to pop up next. You have to accept those, and then you have to wait for Fiverr to review your application. Usually this takes about 1 to 3 business days, okay? So Sundays are not included, public holidays are not included, guys. 1 to 3 business days, and once you're approved, they're gonna give you a unique affiliate link that you can use to promote Fiverr's products and services. You can share it, your website, your blog, social media, any platform. Doesn't really matter. If your target audience is present, you just share it there. And then you're gonna get a commission. Every first time buyer you refer to Fiverr, you'll get a commission. Literally that easy and simple, guys. It's literally that easy. You just fill in these details, and within 1 to 3 business days, you'll get approved. Literally, guys, easy. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can subscribe.